Hello and welcome. This is Abi Jamil Sayyed presenting video about a teenager's prayer from 10th standard English course book 1.1 a teenager, which is written by J. Another point about this poem is that it is a prayer. You know that the title is showing that it's a prayer, but the prayer about a teenager. Teenager, what is teenager? Teenager क्या होता है? व्हाट इज टीन एज? उसके लिए आपको टीन एज को समझना पड़ेगा. टीन एज होता है नॉर्मली कम्स 13 to 19, 13 साल से लेकर 19 साल की उम्र तक जो बच्चा होता है, जो लड़का होता है या लड़की होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड टीनेजर. वो टीनेजर है. और दिस पोएम इज अबाउट अ टीनेजर्स प्रेयर, अ प्रेयर टू ऑलमाइटी गॉड to live a prosperous, happy and peaceful life with the commandment of the Lord, according to the law of the Lord, according to the law of the God. He wants to be a perfect human being. He wants to live a perfect life. So let's have a look.
Each day brings new beginnings. Decisions I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. Here in the first stanza, the teenager says that for him each day brings new beginnings. Beginnings means challenges and experiences of life, but he has to firmly take decision and to decide which walks of life is better for him. Teenager यहाँ ये कह रहा है कि ज़िंदगी के हर दिन एक नई शुरुआत लेकर आती है उसके लिए, लेकिन ज़िंदगी की वो कौन सी राह है जो उसके लिए अच्छी होगी, उसे वो खुद चुनना है. I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success, or travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. Here in the second stanza, he talks about two paths, two roads of life, and the teenager is in a dilemma, confused to choose one of them. One goes to great success while other leads to great distress. Distress means great worry and stress. यहाँ टीनेजर कंफ्यूज है, दो राहों में से कौन सी राह चुने. एक राह उसे कामयाबी की तरफ ले जाती है तो दूसरी परेशानी और दुश्वारी की तरफ. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see. Help me stand for what is right. Bring out the best in me. Now here in the poem, narrator prays to God to make him wise enough to choose correct path, and he needs strength to bring out best in him. यहाँ तीसरे स्टैंजा में कवि प्रे कर रहा है खुदा से कि मुझे इतनी बुद्धि दे कि मैं सही गलत समझ सकूं, सही राह चुन सकूं, और इतनी मानसिक और शारीरिक शक्ति दे कि मैं अपनी अच्छाई को निकाल पाऊं. Help, Lord, to just say no when temptation comes in my way, that I might keep my body clean and fit for the life each day. Now he prays to God to make him strong enough mentally and physically to control himself when temptation comes in his way. Temptation means a strong wish to do something bad or wrong. अब वो ईश्वर से कह रहा है कि मुझे अपनी इच्छाओं पर काबू करना सिखा दे, मुझे इतनी शक्ति दे कि मैं बुराई से बच सकूं, अपने आप को कंट्रोल कर सकूं. When my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is lived its very best with you walking next to me. At last the teenager is looking into his future when his teenage years are over, and he will be happy to achieve success only because of God's support, help and always listening his prayers. He is really thankful to God. आखिर में टीनेजर अपने भविष्य में सोचता है, जब उसके टीनेज खत्म हो जाएंगे वो कामयाब हो जाएगा. ये सिर्फ खुदा की रहमत, मोहब्बत और उसकी हमेशा की गई मदद से. This is all from this poem. So stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.